What if you could create a scroll-stopping Facebook post, image, caption, and hashtag completely on autopilot? No design skills, no copywriting, just one prompt. Let me show you how I built this using Atoma right inside my browser. This entire automation runs inside Atoma, a free browser extension that lets you build no code workflow. My flow does two things automatically. First, it sends a prompt to Nanobrand for Flash Preview to generate the image. Then it hands the same context to the GPT-4 Mini, which writes the captions, hashtags, and post metadata ready to publish. Let's start with the motivational code post. One of the most engaging format on Facebook. I paste a structured prompt in and hit run. And in seconds, Nanobrand Pro generates a clean quad graphics. Now watch what happens next. GPT-4 Mini reads the same prompt context and write a caption that actually matches the mood and color of the image, not some generic one-liner. Next up, product promotion. This is a huge for anyone running a small store or dropshipping page. Same process, paste the prompt, and run the flow. Look at that. Studio quality product photography generated in seconds. No camera, no photographer. And just like that, the post is ready to publish. Image and copy perfectly aligned. And finally, seasonal and festival posts. These are huge for engagement because everyone's creating their audience on the same day. Instead of scamming for designer, I run the same automation. Warm colors, festive elements, all generated automatically. One flow, three completely different use cases, zero manual design work. That's the power of combining Atoma with AI image and text generation. You build the workflow once and it keeps producing ready to post content on demand. If you want to exact Atoma flow file I used, drop comment below and I will share it. And if this saves you time, hit subscribe. I'm building a lot of more automation like this.